Been here before? Welcome back. If you haven't, you have much to catch up on. Nearly 5 years ago, we sold our goat farm in Victoria to hit the road in a truck and caravan. After 4 years of exploring Australia, we have changed course a little, selling our caravan and buying a 48-foot yacht. Exploring overland is still a priority in our truck, but now we are adding the sea to our adventures. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we don't know how to sail.
I have just finished rebuilding the steering hydraulic unit for the third time. I didn't film it because I figure you're sick and tired of it like me by now. But anyway, I've rebuilt it. I actually this time disassembled it. It was leaking out of the shaft seal here. So I've disassembled it, taken it down to the local engineering joint, thanks Trevor. And he has remachined a new bush because it had a bit too much slop in it, new O-ring seals and everything like that, so the whole thing should be good, touch wood, because I don't want to pull it apart again for the fourth time. That's ridiculous, but it feels good. It actually turns the rudder much quicker than before and it turns it further, so it must be aligned better so that the pump can do its work and it's not bypassing as much and can pump more fluid around and less wobbly and smoother. So I'm happy. Done.
He needs a shower. Look at his head.
I do need a bit of a shower. It's a bit warm. And now I'm going to relax. Well, maybe I'll do a little bit more because tomorrow up the mizzen mast hopefully, because our TV aerial has gone to TV aerial heaven.
Just when we bought a new smart
Just
TV.
when we bought a new TV. Anyway, so the actual, hopefully it's not the aerial. We think it's just the cable, and I've got some new cable over there, and we're going to run it up, and hopefully can just plug it into the existing aerial. But I can't remember how it is up there, whether it's got a plug or not. So I'm going to have to go up and see. If there's no plug on it, I'm going to have to cut it and bring it down, and then hopefully we can take it apart and put a new cable in and then run the cable back down all the way and all the way back here into the helm and then downstairs. But anyway, that's tomorrow. I might just get the cover off today to get ready for it, so tomorrow I've got a good head start on it, and hopefully it's not windy, hot or raining.
It'll be all of those things.
Possibly all. Tonight we're having a cob cooked meal. So I'm just starting it off. I've done a sort of a bit of a cheats thing. Underneath here is one of their cobblestones that I'm going to use to light, and the rest is Gidgee charcoal. I'm just going to use the cobblestone, one of those cobblestones, to get it going, and that'll light the charcoal. When it's all burnt down, we'll start putting some food on. But this meal is going to be a little bit different, so we'll see how it goes. Are you ready for this? This could have almost been a vegetarian meal, except I put bacon in it that's naturally cured without nitrates and all that crap. So could have been vegetarian, but it's not. But check out this. Oh my gosh.
Yum.
Am I happy with that? Just doing the final installation on our new forward hatch. So just doing the sealing around the inside. It's only really for visual purposes. It's not really for sealing or anything like that. It's just to close a gap between the two, between the deck and the steelwork. So we'll just let that go off a little bit and then rip the tape off, and we should be completely done with this. And it hasn't been leaking at all. Whew, that's great, and we've had a fair bit of rain. So happy about that. What are you up to?
I got a SUP for Christmas and I'm finally getting to use it. So there's probably going to be lots of laughing at me, but we'll see how I go.
Catherine on a SUP.
And
Oops, that's my hand. I just put it in.
a word of advice, if you buy one of these, get one of these adapters so that you don't have to do the hand pump. You can chuck this on the compressor.
Compressor's still working great. Thanks, Dan. Maiden voyage number 2.
It can't be the maiden voyage then.
Well, it's number 2.
That's really fast.
What?
It's really fast.
Go close to the paint.
Too fast.
Too fast?
Too fast. The storm's coming quick. Look at it.
Over there before.
Ah, a starfish. Oh, it's still alive. I threw it back. I freaked out. We went to go out the main head there and it's pretty bouncy and I freaked out. I thought we were just going for a little cruise and a swim somewhere. So we were told to anchor this way so that the water doesn't hit the back of the boat and fill up the main part of the boat. There's a thunderstorm coming.
Bugger. Okay, you can all have a laugh along at me because you can probably assume what's happened here. Being a total amateur boater, I've run us aground. I thought it was deep because we're in the middle of nowhere, but I was wrong and it's only less than half a metre. You may as well continue laughing along as I try and get us unstuck out of the mud.
Well, we definitely know not to come in here with the yacht because we'd be on the...
Are they on the bottom too over there?
Oh, don't know. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a reminder, hit the bell. And remember, we always love a thumbs up.
Walking down the avenue, holding take I meant for two. I could eat it all myself, but then I wouldn't need your help. So meet me at the corner shop where they sell your favorite pop. I'll be there till you show up. And if you don't, I'll die on the spot, 'cause I just